So as you guys know from the title of the video, we are going to be painting my calipers on my Scatpack wide body charger. We're currently on the way to pick up some primer spray paint, because you got to get that primer first before you actually put the color paint you want. But yeah, that's what we're on. We finally made it here to AutoZone, and if you guys could already probably tell, I am in the Camaro ZL1. Reason that is, if you're going to be working on your brake calipers or anything has to do with your brakes, if you do drive that car, I mean, your brakes are going to get hot. So normally you don't want to drive the car, you know, and then work on your brakes, because they do get pretty hot from just driving around. So it's another thing to keep in mind. But yeah, let's go get this primer. So this is actually what I ended up buying. I got some primer and some gloss clear, you know, make the calipers pop out a little more with that clear. I forgot to add, you will need some sort of sanding paper, which I went with this sanding sponge 180 grit. You're gonna want to apply this to your, you know, the front part of the brake caliper, the part you can really see the most, just to get that, you know, smooth before you're gonna apply the prime and the paint and then the clear. This is the one I went with. They didn't have many options, so I went with this. But yeah, I'll catch you guys when I got the car ready on jacks. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Spring's around the corner. I definitely don't like those that color of the brake caliper, so I'm gonna be looking to paint it. You guys let me know if the red looks better, or if I should go with blue. And these are the kind of paint I'm probably going to be using. You know, you need something that's going to hold up that heat, because as you know, the brake calipers in your car will get hot, so keep that in mind. Literally all you need is some tape. I don't really think it matters what kind of tape you use. Obviously you're going to need the paint, and I use rags, microfiber towels. Just put them around the rotor, tape them up so they don't keep falling, and tape up any parts you don't want to get painted on the suspension. And that's pretty much it. Some people like to use you know, some sort of paper, plastic, you know, so you don't paint your car, but as long as it's not windy, you should be fine. So I don't know if I'm the only one with the black calipers, but I'm not really digging that color, you know. You can't really see them because of the black rims. So I'm debating which one I should go with. I'm kind of going with the red. You can't really see the brake caliper, can you? Unless you really get in there. It's another reason why I'm painting them. This is literally all I'm using. The color paint I'm using, the gloss clear, primer, and sanding paper sponge. That's literally all you need. So I'm gonna get to lifting the car up. I'll do the back two wheels first, and then do the two front ones. Let's get it. So as you guys can tell, I do got the tire off. If you're tuning in, you know, I didn't show the process of taking the tire off, because, you know, if you're a car guy, you probably know how to take a tire off. So yeah, anyways, first thing you want to do of the process is obviously take the tires off. You're gonna want to clean off the caliper. Be using to clean the calipers off. Got a little brush here. You guys can see it's kind of working, kind of foamed up, getting it cleaned off. You really want to get in there. Some spots, you know, the back, I mean, the back really doesn't matter. You're not really going to see that part of the brake or the calipers, but whatever you think the best is, I mean, go ahead, try it out. But I'm more focused on just the front area here, mostly what you're really gonna actually see. As you guys could probably see here on the brush, it's quite dirty. Another thing I would do if you're doing this, you know, I'd probably clean the wheel well in here. You know, some of these parts, since you're already got the tire off and all that stuff. And also, good idea to check your brakes. Make sure they still got plenty of life. You're already here, why not, you know, take the second and check it out. So I did say I was gonna buff this off right here, the SRT lettering, but honestly I don't think you need to. If I go ahead and put my nail on it, there's no groove or anything on it. It's literally smooth. So if you want to skip that, you can. If you don't, you could go ahead and buff it out with the sandpaper and go from there. But I'm actually gonna skip that part, and I'm gonna start spraying some primer. I'm gonna do 2 coats. Obviously let it dry in between, maybe 5 minutes. There's not a lot of wind right now, so that's good. But as you guys could tell, you know, if you have any old rags, towels, whatever it is, you know, get it covered up. So we got this side done. I actually did 3 coatings of the primer, and the other side, it's still drying. I got 1 more coating I'm gonna do, and then we're gonna go with that red. Also, reason I'm painting the calipers is because once I paint it with this red, I'm gonna get some reflective wrap that I'm gonna be applying on this front part, just so you know, at night you're driving around parked up somewhere at a meet, you know, the car pops up, it's gonna pop out more, you know, compared to other Scatpacks and all that good stuff. So I'm just about getting ready to get the first coat of the red paint. You know, you really want to shake up the can well for at least 2 minutes, a minute. Might be a couple spots here and there you might need to touch up with more paint, but I think how it looks right now, I'm gonna start spraying the clear coat, or the gloss clear. Gloss clear. Gotta shake it up. That's the first pass. I don't know if you guys can see on camera. It does look pretty glossy already. This is the first coating of the red paint. I probably got 2 more, 2.5. Also, since I do have the wheels off, I did already go ahead and clean them. Clean the back too. Haven't done that in a while, so I got my phone light camera pointing at the caliper. Hopefully you guys can tell on camera. It does look a little more glossy. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If I should have gone with blue or if red was the right choice. This is the final result for one of them. It's looking good now. This thing's definitely gonna pop out more, especially because the car's dark, black rim. It used to be black, so you couldn't really tell. You couldn't really see them, you know. So now, as you can see right there, came out pretty good. But pretty much done with the other side too. All you really want to do is repeat the same process for, you know, the rest of the wheels, or calipers I should say. Also, I did forget to order the decals, SRT Brembo decals for the calipers, but I'm just gonna run with it for now till I order some. Quick comparison. Kind of boring, right? Got the tire back on. Woo! Man, that looks good. Man, once I get it out there in the sun, man, you're definitely gonna tell the big difference. Man, especially once I get that reflective wrap that I'm gonna put right there in the front. It's gonna be super clean. Also, I did receive some of my Amazon packages I ordered. I got some what are they called, things that go with the valve sims for the tires, you know, something simple, make the car pop out a little more. SRT. I also got some the lights that go on under the door, so when you open the door at night, these are gonna say last call, and they got a little picture of the charger. I'll probably throw in a little clip at night. I am waiting on the, what's it called, wrap for the taillight tint. It's gonna be honeycomb. Hopefully it gets here later. Get all that done too, but it's looking good. I'm gonna follow the same process for the front brakes. Obviously get it jacked up, clean the calipers, mask off around, and then your 3 coatings of primer, and then the color paint you're doing, and then a clear coat. So you guys can see, first coating, clear coat, looks super good. A little more shiny. 2 more coats to go. Let's go. And there you have it. A lot better. You can definitely tell there's a caliper there now, for sure. This is the end product right there, as you can tell. Big ass difference. Not like before, you couldn't really tell there was a caliper there. Let me know what you guys think about how it turned out. You can see that big old caliper now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully that was helpful. Anybody trying to do the same thing. If you enjoy the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Do appreciate it. But that's gonna be it for this one. But as always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.